Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon. And you are on CKCK Notes. So today is Stewardship Month and this Sunday is a joy-giving Sunday. So for today, I am with...
Maria Manaloto.
So before we continue, before we proceed, kamusta po yung naging week nyo?
It's actually pretty good. Usual mom, getting the kids ready for school, chores at home, and working at the same time. And yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay,
I have no
okay.
complaints.
Wow, I'm very glad po na. With all the responsibilities that you have, like bills, savings, and etc., how do you keep the attitude of being a cheerful giver?
Actually, it's I always love to give, and it brings me happiness, and it's I believe in saying that sharing. Loving is sharing, or sharing is loving, or caring
vice
is
versa.
yes, right.
Vice versa.
And yeah, I never ask. I never ask. Every time I give, I never ask for anything in return. And when it comes to God, I'm willing to give everything. And
So you're ready to give your best to
absolutely, yes, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Because I always get my strength from God. And like what Pastor had mentioned during the sermon or the gospel, that if you give money, don't expect that you're going to get money in return. There's always going to be an opportunity for you to get it. Not only today, not tomorrow. Maybe your family member you get it. So every time I give, I'm always thankful that I am able to give.
Wow, thank you for your answer, Ate. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. Have you ever experienced that after giving, God blessed you even more in other ways, like health, opportunities, and unexpected help?
Actually, you know what? This question is, I think it's meant for me. Since I'm just going to give a little bit of information, if that's okay.
So a little context.
Yes. Since we moved here in the Philippines, after living in Canada for 21 years,
Wow.
we were so blessed to be able to meet Ate Violi. She's one of your church members, church goers. She introduced me to attend to this church, and it's not easy for us, especially for my kids to move here. So it actually draw me closer to God. And attending to this church, I am very, very grateful and blessed to be able to meet a lot of people. But yes,
Amen.
going back to your question, that has it impacted you by giving? Absolutely, yes. I was able to gain friendship, and I've known a lot of people who care so much in this
You were
church.
able to make connections.
Absolutely, yes. And I was also given an opportunity to work from Canada, and yet I'm able to do it here.
Yes,
So that is
amen.
one thing that I'm so grateful for. So every Sunday, I am looking forward to attend and to see Pastor, to be able to see all the friends that I met here in church, and that is the blessing that I received. And not only for because I give, because I'm just really hoping that I deserve what I have right now, and just yeah, continue to be grateful.
Yes. I would like to add na pag nag-give tayo, no, unexpected yung mga blessing na natatanggap natin sa ating Panginoon. So, I'm very glad po na yung transition nyo from Canada going here in the Philippines has been really well, and I'm really happy na okay po kayo and healthy po kayo. Yes. So, yun lamang po everyone. Maraming salamat po sa nanonood. So, see you on our next episode. See you!